Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today was a pretty good, why do I say every day is a good day? Okay, it was an okay day, decent day. Well, not really. Okay, I'm lying. Why am I lying? Okay. So today, you should have just looked out for two things, right? Um, Cup close, right? Handle, right? And if you didn't get an entry here, that's fine, right? Because another cup close right here, right? And this is the trade I actually took, right? I'm gonna show it to you. So this trade right here, uh, left shoulder head, right shoulder right here, perfect. And then we were in the strong green buying. However, you notice that we couldn't break through, right, with that strong green buying. So that's the bear flag for me there. And then I was able to exit fully at the top as well. My entry was 4.49. And I'll show you that intraday. But if you need proof of my entry, just DM me on Insta, as always, right? But as you notice that we are in that tapering, right? So if we were headed up, right, we needed to see that strong buying activate, right, which we didn't see. Well, we did see, but it just didn't push us up. Uh, but now let me show you intraday, right? So here's that first cup that closed, right? The handle, right? I didn't really take this first trade. I didn't like it because I didn't get a good entry. So what I did, I just waited for the cup to close, right here, back up again. Then here is another cup that closed, and then we have this beautiful another cup, basically cups on cups, right? Cup, cup, right? And then my entry was another cup. Okay, so there's a lot of cups here. So then this was my I saw the green activate, the green buying activate right here, right? So my entry was actually right here, and I believe I got in for 0.49 because I like this setup so much. You can see how it builds liquidity, and we were in that green strong buying. And then I found a perfect entry right here, and then we activated this strong green, and it was unable to push us up, right? You see we broke below right here, and that's when I exited rest of my position. If you need, I know I just was very choppy. So basically what you have to notice here, right, why this was like cups, right, and then why we needed to why we were just building more liquidity is because you notice that we were in this tapering teal, right? So to break out of the tapering teal, right, what always needs to happen is break above and then some sort of retracement then up, right? So that's exactly what happened. Even though we had an inverse head and shoulder right here, left shoulder head, right shoulder right here, we still needed to break out of this teal, right, grab the liquidity here and then move up, right? That's exactly what happened. And then you saw that stronger green buying also activate. However, that we weren't maintaining that, right? You see how we broke up of right here. That's a bear flag, and that's also signs of a tapering, right? Especially because we're at this top of the range, right? So if we were gonna break out, right, we would have broken out with the strong green, right? And then have another retracement down and then head all the way up, right? But you saw that we broke out of that buying, right? So that's a bear flag. So then next, I think I just exposed my crypto wallet. Okay, I'm gonna edit that out. Um, I just exposed my crypto. Okay, edit that out. I mean, okay. So pretty good. Then for shorts, right? So I was looking for a better entry, but you notice how we just have this blue tapering, so I didn't feel safe in any of these trades. So what I wanted to wait for was at least breakthrough of the teal, right? Closing of an inverse cup at least, right? And you can see that near the end of the day we did, right? Right, but we just ran out of time, right? So tomorrow we need to see if we reject right here, form that inverse cup again, right? And then close the cup at the 569, or even if the market says we have enough liquidity, we can close a cup at 568, right? So it depends what the market says. or we can wait for this inverse cup, right? um, right, and then head down, right, and then another inverse cup close. So let's just see where we open tomorrow, right? We can open here, we can open here, it all depends, right? Or we can even open higher, right? So we're setting up really nice liquidity right here, left shoulder, head, right, and then right shoulder right here, right? So we're setting up pretty nicely, and then we can close another cup, right, and then have a handle, right, and then head up, right? So that's the play. That's what we're looking for. Pretty simple. I'm going to show you that in the 30-minute now. Right, so we did build up pretty good liquidity at near the end of the day, right? Left shoulder, head, right shoulder right here, right shoulder right here, and then close the cup and another right shoulder right here, right, and then head up, right? Not enough, smoking hella, drinking alcohol. And then if we are headed down, like I told you guys, we need to wait to see some rejections here. Also look at this first rejection right here, right off of here, close of this cup right here, inverse cup right here, right, and then, but you gotta pay attention to this tapering pink, right, and see if we build enough liquidity and we have a better risk reward, right? But we can have a pretty good move down. Depends on where we open tomorrow, and see where we open and just base it off of that. But anyways, guys, pretty short video. I gotta edit this now because I showed my crypto wallet. So see you guys tomorrow, Friday, and